We're going to talk about something really fun and important, making friends. Do you want to learn how to make new friends and be a great friend? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What is a friend? Before we start talking about making a friend, let's review what a friend is. So what exactly is a friend? Well, a friend is someone you like spending time with, someone you can have fun with, and someone who's kind and caring to you. Friends help make life more fun, whether you're playing games, telling jokes, or even helping each other out. A friend can be someone from your school, your neighborhood, or even someone you meet at a park or activity. But how do we make new friends? Don't worry, I've got some great tips to help you out. How to make friends. Step 1, be friendly and smile. When you meet someone new, a smile is like a little invitation that says, "Hi, I'd like to be your friend." Smiling makes people feel happy and welcome. So the next time you see someone you'd like to be friends with, flash them a big, friendly smile. It shows that you're open to talking and playing together. Step 2, start a conversation. Sometimes it can be hard to know what to say, but don't worry, it's easier than you think. You can ask simple questions like, "What's your favorite game?" Or, "Do you like playing soccer?" These questions show that you're interested in getting to know them. Remember, asking questions is a great way to learn about someone, and it can lead to some fun activities you can do together. Maybe you both like the same games, sports, or books. That's a good start for a friendship. Step 3, join in. Sometimes when you see kids playing a game or doing an activity, it can feel a little scary to join in. But don't worry, you can always politely ask, "Can I play with you?" Or "May I join you?" Most of the time, people will say yes. Being brave and asking to join in can be a great way to start playing together and getting to know new friends. And guess what? They might be happy you joined. Step 4, be a good listener. Good friends listen to each other. When your new friend is talking, make sure to listen carefully and pay attention to what they're saying. This shows them that you care about their thoughts and feelings. For example, if your friend is telling you about their favorite toy, listen and ask questions like, "Wow, that sounds cool. How do you play with it?" Being a good listener makes people feel important and valued, and that's what makes great friendships. Step 5, be kind and share. Kindness is one of the most important parts of any friendship. When you're kind, people enjoy spending time with you. You can show kindness by sharing your toys, giving a compliment, or helping your friend when they need it. For example, if you have a fun toy or snack, you could say, "Would you like to share?" Sharing helps build trust and makes your friend feel happy. Step 6, be yourself. Everyone is unique, and that's what makes friendships special. You don't have to pretend to be someone else to make friends. Just be you. Whether you love drawing, building with blocks, or playing pretend, there's always someone who will enjoy spending time with you, just as you are. When you're true to yourself, you'll make friends who like you for who you are. And that's the best kind of friendship. What to do if things don't work out? Now, sometimes, even if you follow all these steps, things might not work out right away, and that's okay. Not everyone will become your friend, and that's totally normal. Just keep being kind, and you'll find the right friends who appreciate you. If someone doesn't want to play, don't feel bad. There are lots of other people who would love to be your friend. Let's practice making friends. Let's practice together. You see someone sitting alone at recess. What should you do? Do you smile and say, "Hi, can I join you?" or walk by and ignore them? You're right. Smiling and saying hi is how you make a friend. Saying hi is a great way to start a friendship. You're playing with a toy and another kid comes over looking interested. Do you offer to share the toy or tell them, "You can't play with this"? Yes, offering to share the toy tells the kid you want to be their friend and play with them. You notice your classmate's drawing is really good. Do you look at it but don't say anything? Or tell them, "Wow, I love your drawing"? Yes, tell them, "Wow, I love your drawing." Compliments make people feel good and help start conversations. A friend looks sad during lunch. Do you ignore them or ask, "Is everything okay? Want to talk?" You're right. Being kind and supportive shows that you're a good friend. Time to review. Let's recap how to make a new friend. Be friendly and smile. When you meet someone new, a smile is like a little invitation that says, "Hi, I'd like to be your friend." Start a conversation. Remember, asking questions is a great way to learn about someone, and it can lead to some fun activities you can do together. Join in activities. Being brave and asking to join in can be a great way to start playing together and getting to know new friends. Be a good listener. Being a good listener makes people feel important and valued, and that's what makes great friendships. Be kind and share. Kindness is one of the most important parts of any friendship. When you're kind, people enjoy spending time with you. And be yourself. When you're true to yourself, you'll make friends who like you for who you are. And that's the best kind of friendship. Can you think of any other ways to make a friend? Making friends is all about being kind, caring, and having fun together. It might take a little time, but soon enough, you'll have lots of new friends to play and laugh with. I hope these tips help you make awesome new friends. Making friends can be so much fun, and by following these steps, you'll be ready to meet new people and build friendships wherever you go. Thanks.
Subscribe to Twinkl Teaching Resources USA for more It's Easy with Twinkl videos.